Three, two, one.
Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. How is everybody doing? It's been a few days since I've been on here. I've been a little busy. I've had a few different things going on, which I will be letting you guys know shortly. Um, Big news coming. I'm involved in something pretty big coming out, and I can't wait to get it out there. Um, First off, as everybody already knows, I am not a financial advisor. Nothing I say should be taken as such, and you should always do your own research. So here we are. Just like the thumbnail says, it looks pretty bad, huh? Or does it? Again, I look at these as buying opportunities because I'm in it for the long haul. But let's go over a couple stories. I got a couple cool stories. I want to show you how the mainstream media is just FUD, FUD, FUD. They will do and say anything to get us to sell our crypto so that they could turn around and buy it. It's just that simple. So Bitcoin is sitting at 54.3. Ethereum's at fucking 4 grand. Binance Coin 590, Solana at 197. Cardano just keeps going down, but I'm a firm believer in it. And they got some big stuff coming up. $1.57, XRP under $1. Everything's down. Everything is down. Shiba's down. Everything. Crypto.com, though, you guys already know I've been behind them for how long now, and it's finally paying off. So this will show you the fear and greed index is at neutral. No one's really that scared. So if you're panicking a little bit, it's all right. Keep your head up. Don't worry about it. If you bought in at the top, you don't lose until you sell. You always remember that. Two things that I like to say. One, when in doubt, zoom out. Two, you don't lose till you sell. All right, so let's go. Look at this now. I wanted to show this again and keep up with this. Stephen Cooper, he's been giving me a little love over on Twitter. Hopefully he can give me a shout out and get my subscribers up. By the way, if you haven't already subscribed and you're watching this, oh man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Even it helps me out so much. You guys don't understand it. And as soon as I get monetized, I ask anybody from the poker community that knows about the club that I created, and I'm no longer with no more. I sold the club. That's another story. But my point is anybody who knows me knows that I give away a lot. If I have it, we all have it, and I do my best to give it away. So I wanted to talk about this because just this morning, this was at 540 million. It's already at 579 million. I mean, this burn, if you don't already know, go get set up. Go to biggerentertainment.com/shib, get set up, get to listen to this stuff on Spotify, Pandora, whatever it is that you listen to. So, big things for Shiba, right? So, he's always up to something. Here's a little teaser. So it says here Shiba Inu Games. So I have been hearing some rumors that, Shiba Inu is about to get into gaming. If you haven't got no Shiba yet, it's a perfect buying opportunity. So much so that this guy right here, he said, fuck it, I am going all in. Crypto investor sells apartment for Shiba Inu, hoping to become a billionaire. So listen to this, Josh. Don't ever sell your shit. Don't get loans. I know it seems like a good idea, but don't do that. It's not worth the risk because that would mean that you are investing with more than you can afford to lose. So a cryptocurrency investor has revealed that they have sold their apartment for 4 million Shiba Inu tokens, hoping that, what? 4 million ain't really nothing. Hoping that the meme-inspired currency will rally in the future. According to The Sun, citing a Reddit user, they're hoping that one SHIB token starts trading at least a penny or even 10 cents, and if so, 10 or 15 years to get that price point they added. And if I lose everything, I really don't care. I have a good business that I can rely on. It's not much, but I'll play to get it better in the future or close. But I'll play to get it better in the close future. I guess it doesn't make sense. So the news outlet notes that other Shiba investors have recently tied up their life savings in meme-inspired crypto and refusing to sell until they become rich, even whilst being homeless. The crypto has seen its price shoot up this year, so much so that at one point an investor who put in $8,000 saw the value of his investment surge to $5.7 billion. So there was a retail frenzy and saw it become the third most Googled cryptocurrency so far this year. A study has shown Shiba Inu received 2.8 million searches per month so far this year. More than Bitcoin, more than Ethereum. So come on, come buy some Shiba Inu. So, I'm not even gonna read this trash. I'll just give you a little bit of it. Supposedly the markets in India crashed because of a leaked text showing that they're gonna start doing some kind of legislation on it, and because of um, the news out of South Africa with you know, the I can't say it, so you guys already know, but there's supposedly a new form. So moving right along, I just want to show you too. Like, look, like watch this. Bitcoin. All you gotta do is put in Bitcoin. Oh wait, no, that's not what I want. Bitcoin.
Come on now, you can do it.
Just Bitcoin. Hit news. Every one of these bear market. It slips to 55K. No offer of refuge from COVID market route. El Salvador buys 100 more. That's bullish. That just shows you something. An hour ago, El Salvador is still buying more crypto, even though it's so bad. I'm bullish. Cryptocurrency tumble. It's all just FUD. They want us to sell so they can buy our crypto. I'm telling you. You don't believe me? Then just keep sitting there and sell your stuff and come back whenever you're ready, and maybe it'll be different. But I think you're gonna really regret that decision. I know I ain't selling. I've been living broke, poor. Like I ain't got nothing out here. All my money goes into that. So check this out. Just like this, dude, 650%. So an altcoin project explodes 650% after crypto giant Coinbase announces a partnership, not a listing, a partnership. An under the radar altcoin project has melted portfolios after partnering with the U.S. crypto exchange Coinbase. In a new announcement, Coinbase says it will work alongside developers of the crypto wallet platform Bread. BRD is the ticker. The move will soon give current users the option to custody their holdings on Coinbase wallet. We have great news. The BRD team will be joining crypto or Coinbase wallet to help accelerate Web3 adoption. The team brings deep expertise in self-custody for crypto wallets, which will help wallet enable more people to safely and securely access the decentralized world of crypto. Bread CEO and co-founder Adam Trademan says, since BRD Wallet originally launched as the open source Bread Wallet app in 2014, we have been dedicated to expanding mainstream adoption of cryptocurrency with a focus on decentralization, security, and customer control funds. Mainstream, I hear that, mainstream adoption. Today, we would like to share the news that members of our team will be continuing our mission at Coinbase. So BRD has been fairly flat within the 17 to 25 cent range for the past several months before exploding to 650% after word of Coinbase. And that was at like $1.50, $1.51. Yeah, see. Coinbase says BRD team will help grow Web3 developing vision of the internet where decentralization and blockchain technologies as opposed to corporations, which speaking of which, it's a really good idea to get in there. And BitBoy got this video out right now where he's showing the internet is decaying or something like that. Um, and yeah, so boom. And hey, stick with me because I want to go over a chart. I want to show you guys something crazy in this chart coming up. Basic attention token. I want to talk about this because I use the Brave browser. I love it. So the market capitalization of an entire crypto industry has plummeted in the past 24 hours, falling from 2.8 to 2.5 trillion. And though leading cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum, have both seen their prices tumble, one token is showing surprising resilience. BAT. The basic attention token is currently up 10% at press time after hitting an all-time high of $1.81. So this is what it's about. That is the native cryptocurrency for a privacy-centric web browser, Brave. Instead of tracking users' behavior and showing advertisements based on that behavior, Brave allows users to earn BAT for voluntary viewing advertisements. They can also block all advertisements, but won't earn any rewards for doing so. The coin also launched in 2017 via initial coin offering ICO. The coin's latest rise, however, difficult to pin on any one event, but recent announcement updates from Brave to do offer some justification. Earlier this month, the browser expanded beyond Ethereum network and launched an integration with Solana. We all know about Solana. So the integration has been the only large piece of news around Brave. Pulling data from sentiment, specifically social trends around the keyword BAT, provide further insight. Chart below indicates that a lot of chatter on Twitter and Reddit and Telegram for this term began picking up on November 24th. So if you don't own any BAT, but really looking to get some. I'm not going to go into this too deep, but I just want to show you this because I did cover Axie Infinity. Someone sold a plot for $2.5 million of a digital land. If you don't own some metaverse stock, Sand, Axie, I kind of think Axie's up there. So, you know, I like Engine, Sand, play that. Rest in peace to Mr. Goxx, the crypto trading hamster who beat Bitcoin and Warren Buffett. So can we please have a moment of silence? Okay, I hope you guys are still here with me, man, because if you didn't stick around to hear about Mr. Goxx, then I don't know what to tell you. Hopefully I'm saying his name right. Mr. Goxx, the crypto trading hamster with a portfolio that outperformed Bitcoin, Warren Buffett, and the S&P 500, and even Cathie Wood, has sadly passed away. Max, known professionally as Mr. Goxx, live streamed his crypto trading sessions on Twitch to over 15,000 followers. His portfolio grew to an impressive $498 in mid-September. At the time, Mr. Goxx was outstriped major indices like the S&P 500 and NASDAQ, all through simple setup involving hamster wheels and tubes. I mean, how great is that? His trading office was hooked up to a computer that submitted buy and sell orders based on his actions. He selected one of 30 coins by running on his intention wheel. Depending on which tube Mr. Goxx went through, the computer would either purchase $22 or liquidate the entire position. The Protos article about Max made headlines across the world, appearing in outlets like Bitcoin and the Business Insider. Rest in peace, Mr. Goxx. According to a Twitter post by the hamster's owner, he displayed no signs of illness the days before. He passed peacefully in his sleep. So, rest in peace to Mr. Goxx. So look, over here, you know, I watch Carl a lot, and I also want to show you guys a piece of a video real fast, but I just want you to keep this in mind. You know, we are in a down channel right now. It hit, boom. If we're below $60,000 and you're a little bit nervous and we keep going farther, it's nothing wrong with, you know, taking some profits out. But if we bust through 60,000 again, it's back up, and we're gonna break this spot right here. You know, we're gonna be coming up into here next. All right. Also, I want to show you on this SHIB chart. I know I got a lot going on here. I'm leaving this on there because this is what I predicted would happen, and it kind of really didn't. But if you look, it's not the 618, nothing like that, but we did bounce nicely off of one of the fib levels right here, and we've gotten a pretty good push up. You know, this is a 4-hour candle. The last 3 candles have been green, and it looks like it's going to go. We need to break this line. This is where the trend line is. It's a downtrend for sure. We keep breaking it, but nothing happens. Maybe I need to make a new one. And last but not least, I want you guys to pay attention to this.
Guys, look at this. What I am talking about is this specific chart here with 3 falling wedges after another. This is the daily candle. So what we are seeing here is the last few months for Bitcoin. We had a falling wedge right here. Yes, this is a fake out. The falling wedge right here, eventually breaking out towards the upside. A falling wedge right here. Remember, falling wedges are bullish patterns.
Bullish.
Breaking towards the upside, and right now we are having a falling wedge again.
Bounce
with the
perfect.
previous rejection, we furthermore validated the resistance, but also with this bounce right now, we furthermore validated the support. And usually after bouncing a few times and coming closer to the apex in falling wedges, we are breaking much more often towards the upside than towards the downside. This is what you can see right here. So as long as this support is not breaking on the daily, you can draw it yourself. I remain bullish, very important. As long as we are with the daily candle not breaking below this, I remain bullish for Bitcoin. If this changes, I am going to upload a
See, straight from fucking MMcrypto, man. He knows his shit. So, and he's been pretty much right all along this whole time. So, with that, I'm going to end this video. Please, y'all, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Hit the comments. If you can, go follow my Twitter real fast. I got a couple more days. I'm doing a giveaway. It's the pinned tweet. Links below. I appreciate your time, you guys. I'll see you soon.